So welcome here to another video. On this video today, I'm going to show you how to set the Virgin SuperHub 3.0 to a modem. It comes standard as the router and all your Wi-Fi. This should set to the modem if you wanted to attach another router, something like the Netgear R7000 or a Linksys or a Asus ROG or Cisco. And basically puts the hub into a dumb state and it's just a modem because obviously it's a cable modem, therefore you can't use a proprietary one like an ADSL or anything like that. You then connect this hub to your router via the WAN port. But before you can do that, you need to make sure you set the Virgin Hub to the router I'm going to show in this video. But before you do that, you need to set the Virgin Hub to a modem. The first thing you need to do, you're going to need to log into your router. The default IP address is 192.168.0.1. If you're on DHCP from the Virgin router, which comes standard when Virgin install it, you'll have that IP address. You'll then be presented with this page. On this page, you want to put your password in. It's either on the base of the router or it's one you've set yourself. If not, you'll have to reset the router back to default. And by doing that, you hold down the reset button for a period of time on the back of the router and it will reset it back to default. So log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with this page. On this page, it gives you all the statistics or your attached devices. And this is the option you want here, modem mode. Click this. What you want to do is you want to click enable modem mode and apply those settings. Once you apply those changes, your router will now be on 192.168.100.1. So if you need to get back to it, set it back to router mode, you'd go to 192.168.100.1 and you'll click enable router mode here. You'll also need to assign a static IP on your PC. If you want to know how to do that, let me know and I'll do a tutorial on that. And that's it. Plug the router into a WAN port and away you go. So I hope you like this video. Let me know if you want me to do anything else on the Virgin router or any other router. Until then, I'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.